Oh, hi, hello. This is a little test. This is like I need to try to see if this translate to Spanish, I mean to English to Spanish. You are gonna have just right here a little dot that put configuration, and you pick there, and then you could see audio, and you pick in the audio and select your language. In this case it's in Spanish. So this is like a level test, not only for you, also for me as a creator. So let's see what happened, and if this work, it's gonna be more easy for us to have a really good time with this process of learning about numerology and uh, alt- uh, alterated consciousness state. So I hope that this work.